Hi, I'm JDE Eisenberg with the JDE Law Firm. I'm a business litigation attorney, which means that my business is to protect your business. Today, I'm going to talk about why you need to make sure you have a valid cause of action. But first, I'm going to say that if you have any questions about what you're going to hear today, you want to talk about your business, or you think you have a case, all you have to do is go to meetjde.nyc to book a consultation with me. Also, feel free to put in questions or comments down below, and please subscribe so you get more content like this in the future. Now, why am I talking about why you need to make sure you have a valid cause of action? And just to back up for a second, a cause of action is the reason you sue someone. So for example, a cause of action will be breach of contract, because the other side breached the contract. So why do you need to make sure you have a valid cause of action? I have come across 3 cases in the last 2 weeks where my client's been sued for something that doesn't exist. There's no valid cause of action. First one is the fact that my client was sued for sanctions. Sanctions is not a cause of action in New York. You cannot sue for it. Second case, I have a client who's sued because they allegedly owe back rent. However, if you read the lease, my client doesn't actually have to pay rent until October. Not back, and they're being told they have to pay from March, which makes no sense. So in the end, there's no valid cause of action because they don't owe rent. That was number 2. The third one is, I have a client who's being sued for defamation based on a court filing that occurred. So to back it up, my client sued someone. They're being sued back for defamation based on what they put in the court file. It is a long, and I'm talking like 100 years long, standing case law that you cannot sue for defamation based on a court filing. Cannot do it. So I have 3 cases, 3 causes of action that just are not valid in these circumstances. So you need to make sure you get an attorney, someone who knows what they're doing, and only sues for valid causes of action. Because let's say in the second case, where my client is being sued for breach of lease because they haven't paid rent, supposedly, well, there's actually a clause in that lease that says that my client, if he wins in a lawsuit, he gets his legal fees back. So it could end up, the person who's suing my client can end up paying my client's legal fees because they brought this action really for no reason at all. So that's why you need to make sure you have a valid cause of action. So if you have any questions about what I just talked about, you want to talk about your business, or you think you have a case, all you have to do is go to meetjde.nyc to book that consultation with me. Again, please also subscribe to get more content like this in the future. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Once again, I'm Jesse David Eisenberg with the JDE Law Firm. I'm a business litigation attorney, which means that my business is to protect your business. Thanks for watching and listening.